Welcome to my channel today, and thank you Wreath's Gallery for this open collaboration that I'm participating in on today. I want to shout out all of the ladies who's participating, which is hosted by the Grace Life of DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa. Co-hosts are Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, May's Design Corner, Design with Emma, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Decorating with Jaxie Green, Sun Arts DIY, Z9 Design, I am Shakted, and also myself. It is Ashley Kirkland Coaxum, or it is Ashley Coaxum. So this is the collab that we are doing today, which is going to be fall inspiration to wreaths. I hope you guys will stick around. If you do, please don't forget to like, share with a good friend, and subscribe. And don't forget to keep coming back for more fall inspirations. See you guys in the comments. Here is a wreath that I'll be using. I used this wreath before, and what I do is I just always take the items that I have in, which are picks, stems, or whatever. I just remove them and add new things that I would like to put in this wreath. So this is a repurposed wreath. Everything that I'm using today, some of the items I picked up from Dollar Tree for $1.25, and a lot of the items are stuff that I've already had. So yes, I'm always gonna shop my home first before I just purchase new things. However, I knew I wanted to do a certain color, and I'm gonna show you guys my inspo of what my kitchen will be looking like with color wise. Here it is right here, and I'm also got matching rugs to match these towels. I did not show the rugs, but these are the inspiration colors that helped me do my wreath on today. Here I'm just showing you guys a little bit of few new things that I picked up that I wanted to maybe add to the wreath. I got a lot of burgundies, a lot of neutrals, and then I got that dark brown wood pumpkin that I'll maybe using in this wreath today. But all of these are just some colors that I like and what I feel like would tie in with my decor that I'm putting in the kitchen. These are just some items that I already had around my house. A few picks here, few things that I bought after the fall season that I just held on to. So I got all of these in case I want to use them. It's best to have than not have. This is an item I did not show, I don't believe, in the start of the video, but this is just a garland for $1.25. These are a lot of the colors that I want to add into the kitchen, so I figured I could tie this into this wreath, kind of like rope it in between the vines, because honestly I still want a lot of greenery. As you see, my colors still have some green in it for my kitchen, but I wanted to bring out some rust, reds, deep earth tones, golds, browns, things like that. But I still wanted like a little bit of the red and orange to pop, but I am going to leave the green. So here I'll just be showing you guys how I'm just kind of feeding it in there. Basically, I just wrapped it around like you would a wreath. Just follow the shape of the wreath, which is a circle. And then I just kind of like intertwine it in between the greenery. I hope you guys are still with me. I'm hoping that you guys are getting inspired, feeling motivated to repurpose something around your home. Maybe redo a wreath that you have laying around instead of going out buying a new one. I mean, it's very simple. You just have to have some creativity, get you a color scheme, and you can do it. Here I'm just got out my Old Faithful, my hot glue gun that always come through for your girl. I'm just adding these little pumpkins here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Not sure if I showed them in the showing when I first started the video, but these little pumpkins are so cute and the colors are so rich. I just love adding them to this wreath. I don't want to do too much though. I don't want to bring in too many pumpkins. Just a lot of leaves basically. Here I'm just figuring out where I want to place my little pumpkin at. Do this before you hot glue it down. It just save you some trouble. Wow, what do you know, a repurposed wreath, and look what you can come up with by just adding some new around the home items or some new items to it. I cannot wait to put this up. Let's see what it comes out and look like on this door. This is my pantry. I cannot wait to see when I decorate and tie everything in with these colors. I feel like it's pretty. I could have go a little bit deeper in the burgundy family, I think, but overall I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the reveal.